Here I am with my Audi convertible 2007 A4 3.2 liter. And I had a problem. My brake lights were constantly on even when I wasn't pushing the brake pedal. And the car wouldn't shift out of first gear without manually shifting it. A mechanic guy told me that it was a controller right back in there. But I watched a YouTube video online and they told me that there was a good chance that it was a fuse right in there, a 15 amp fuse. So I took the fuse out and it was burnt and I replaced it, and now my brake lights work just fine. So if your brake lights are constantly on, you might want to make sure it's a fuse. It's just a quick hack you can use. I don't normally put out DIY videos like this, but this saved me so much money, I felt like I had to share this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, check out my channel, and all my other good stuff.
All right, bye guys.